Hey, what's up? It's Matt for 360 Investigations, and no, this video is not in 360, unfortunately. What happens when you wait too long to go to an abandoned place and the town actually gets their act together and gets stuff straightened out? Because they're going to convert all this supposed area into condos or whatever it is. So let me give you a look around. So here's the pond that is connected to this area, which the active facilities were up there. And this goes to show you the scope of, how many abandoned places there are and things like that. So I'll continue on. That is a mess. That's literally what's left of every single building in here. Empty lots. It's a pile of rubble over there, empty lot. Rubble. It's all completely gone. Rubble. Dirt mounds, rubble, everything is demolished. It's too bad too, because this place is actually pretty big. But again, this is what happens when you wait too damn long. That's all right. Check out the rubble over there. Rubble. That was a building. This place had about 12 buildings in it. Fire broke out and that killed 8 of the buildings, and then there were 4 left. And then apparently one of the roofs collapsed, so the city decided to just wreck the rest of the buildings. So it was due to safety, and then cover it under a contract of, we're gonna convert them into like apartments or whatever it is. So yeah, I don't think there's gonna be condos or anything big built back here. I think they're just using that as a cover to kill the buildings as far as safety goes, so nobody got hurt. Look at that's what's left. Oh yeah, I found something. It's too bad that this whole place would have been great to do. But again, I waited too long. That's on me. It happens. More rubble. Right there. So yeah, as you can see, it took me a while to hike over there. I'm gonna go through here too. It's just amazes. It amazes me how, how condensed things are. And it shows you just how many abandoned places there are on a scale in the United States or around the world. Because I'm in a small area, so it's really weird and odd thinking about that. So I'll give you some view here. This is another mound. Dirt or whatever, I don't know what the heck was in here. That's the mound I just pointed to. Oh, I just fell in a hole. All right. I'm lucky I have fast reflexes, or I would have just killed my ankle. I don't know what this was supposed to be, but that's old. And if you take a look at the light over here, this gives you an indication of how old this is, or just from being weather beaten. There's a light right up there I'm going to show you. See it up there? There's a pathway that comes through here where you could get through. But yeah, it's so weather beaten. And there is a fire hydrant in the woods there. I'm not going back there, but that goes to show you, It looks like a little gnome at a distance. I should make a horror flick out of that. Oh, look, there's gnomes in the woods. Yay! Sorry, couldn't resist. It's too bad. I really wanted to get this on film. As far as 360, get into places and stuff. I was all set too. I had everything all prepped, knew how to get in there. Well, I guess now I just have to walk on top of the rubble to get in. So, unfortunately, this is what happens. Got another pile of rubble. Now, this is the rubble from the recently demolished buildings, and I think it was 2019, 2020. So the demolishing of these haven't actually been that old. Not going on top of those. Let me see here. I don't know if you can see it in the distance here, but that pile of rubble right there, with a hole where it was, that's a empty structure. Oh look, another fire hydrant. It's just weird seeing fire hydrants out in the middle of nowhere. Sorry for the lighting, it's really bright. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon here, so there's more video for this. I mean, just how long I've been walking. I mean, granted, it's not that far, but it's still a huge place. Oh, there's a, I think that's a flagpole right there. Weird. Yeah, that's a flagpole. That's exactly what that is. Interesting. You have the handle here. Weird. Huh. Some stuff that was on the inside. Not really sure what that is. Oh, totes. Those are totes. And then there's a mound pot. Another pole here. And there actually is another fire hydrant right over here. I thought I saw one of those. Look at this mess. All of this in here. That's where it just came from. I'm going to continue walking. Oh, there's another fire hydrant way off in the distance. See it right there? That figure's so huge. It's right back there. That rubble in the distance obviously was another building. And it looks like there's another fire hydrant over there as well. This place is pretty big. So, yeah, get that rubble over there when I get past the trees here so you can see it in the distance over there. There it is. That is so sad. A building, no, I wanted to get in. Anyway, yeah. Coming up on another fire hydrant over there. Oh, there's another light. I thought that was just a tree. It's not, it's a light. It's weird. So quiet back here too. What's really weird is the main road is like right over there. It's literally right there. You probably see cars driving by. You can see houses in the background. Yeah, it's too bad that all these buildings are gone. And that's the entrance I have to go out. So I'm gonna pretty much end this video now, and it's unfortunate that I couldn't get it. So there you have it. Yes, I'm kind of doing this as a selfie thing, so it's a little awkward. It's not my normal 360 camera, but again, this is what happens when you wait too long, and it's unfortunate because I really wanted to get into these places just to, you know, video the inside of them and preserve them as history, but it happens. So that's all there is to it. Lisa's obviously not with me. She's with our daughter, and in that regard, this is Matt, and also speaking for Lisa, 360 Investigation signing out. Till next explore. Take care.